In order to use physical inventory mode, we must log in with the user that has permissions to change modes in TC Max.
Enter user ID.
For our demo dataset, this is user ID 01 and password 01.
Enter password. Logged in.
I will also set favorite reports for the report we will be referencing in this video in order to make it easier to find. Let's take a look at the kit wheel inventory. Scanning the kit will display its information and allow us to click on the Children tab to view its contents.
Overdue calibration.
Inspection imminent.
This demo kit has 6 single quantity items and no grandchildren. From the mode selector, we can navigate to our physical inventory modes. Since this kit does not have grandchildren, we can select with children or with grandchildren. Each will operate the same. Once in this mode, you can view the list of inventories that are currently in progress in the dropdown. We don't have any inventories in progress right now, so we must start a new one. To start a new inventory, we will scan the barcode of the kit or parent.
Attention added.
All its children are added to the grid on the right, which indicates that they have not yet been accounted for. Scanning each of the items inside the kit accounts for that item and removes it from the list.
Inventory, 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 inventory.
When the list is empty, the inventory is complete. You can click Complete or return to the Issue Turn-in mode. Scanning a kit will repeat this process. In this case, we will scan an item that does not belong in the kit.
Attention added.
Inventory, 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 inventory.
Discrepancy.
It is added to the item discrepancies grid with the description for why it is a discrepancy. Double-clicking on the discrepancy allows you to resolve the discrepancy by adding a resolution description. This will remove the discrepancy from the list and mark the discrepancy record as resolved. We can see the inventory discrepancy record has been recorded, however it has been marked as resolved, so it will not show up on the designated report. Running the physical inventory discrepancy report will show that there have been no discrepancies recorded. Starting a new inventory allows us to show what happens to items remaining on the discrepancies list when complete is clicked.
Attention added.
Inventory, 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 inventory.
Discrepancy.
With a record remaining on the discrepancies list, we click Complete. Now when we run our report, we will see that the remaining discrepancy has been recorded. Now we will start a new inventory and leave an item on the inventory list.
Attention added.
Inventory, 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 inventory.
For items remaining on the inventory list when complete is clicked, a discrepancy is recorded for each remaining item. Running the report shows these discrepancy records added to the report. To see what happens to a multiple quantity item, we must first add the item to the kit in Issue Turn-in mode. Scan the item that we want to add to the kit and update its parent barcode to the barcode of the kit. Now, when we begin an inventory for this kit, the multiple quantity item appears on the inventory list.
Attention added.
Inventory, 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 inventory. Enter quantity.
When we inventory this item with the expected quantity, we can complete the kit with no discrepancies.
Inventory.
Starting this inventory again, if we inventory this item with a different quantity than what is expected, we are prompted that a discrepancy will be added.
Attention added.
Inventory, 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 inventory. Enter quantity.
Discrepancy.
If we resolve this discrepancy, it will not be added to our report. If we perform this process again without resolving the discrepancy, we will see the record appear on our report.
Attention added.
Inventory, 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 inventory. Enter quantity.
Discrepancy.
If we would like this mode to update our quantities instead of creating a discrepancy, in Settings, Options, we can turn on an inventory option to adjust the quantity on hand when in physical inventory mode. Now when we perform our inventory and record a different quantity, we will be asked if we would like to create a discrepancy or update our quantity.
Attention added.
Inventory, 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 inventory. Enter quantity.
Clicking Yes will update the quantity.
Inventory.
The report shows no additional discrepancy records. If we view the item on the main screen in Issue Turn-in mode, we can see that the quantity was updated. To demonstrate physical inventory with grandchildren, we must add a grandchild to our kit.
New item.
We can create a new item and set the parent barcode ID equal to the barcode of an item in our kit. In this case, we created a drill bit and set it as the child of our drill. Scanning our kit in physical inventory with children does not display the drill bit.
Attention added.
Inventory, 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 inventory. Enter quantity. Inventory.
Scanning the kit in physical inventory with grandchildren places the drill bit on the list to be inventoried.
Attention added.
Inventory, 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 inventory. Enter quantity. Inventory. Inventory.
If we clear our inventory list and leave physical inventory mode without hitting the complete button, TC Max automatically completes the inventory for us. If we leave physical inventory mode with items remaining on our inventory list, when we enter physical inventory mode again, we can select our inventory in progress from the drop-down list.
Attention added.
Inventory, inventory, inventory.
When we clear the inventory list and the only item remaining is a discrepancy, if we leave physical inventory mode, the inventory is completed for us by TC Max.
Enter quantity.
Discrepancy.
Inventory, inventory, inventory.
For more TC Max videos and tutorials, subscribe to our channel. For more up-to-date information on TC Max, you can also follow us on social media.